Part 15, HTML Form Styling with CSS. 1. Introduction to Form Styling. Form styling enhances the visual appeal of web forms and improves user experience. By applying CSS, you can control how your form inputs, buttons, labels, and other elements look. 2. Basic CSS Form Styling. We begin by adding basic CSS styles to the form. This includes setting margins, padding, and widths for the form elements. Example: basic form structure. Form class equals contact form. Label for equals name/label. Input type equals text, ID equals name equals name. Label for equals email/label. Input type equals email, ID equals email, name equals email. Input type equals submit, value equals submit. /form CSS / basic form styling / contact form. Max width 600 px. Margin 0 auto. Padding 20 px. Border 1 px solid #CCC. Border radius 5 px. Background color #F9F9F9. Contact form label. Display block. Font size 1 rem. Margin bottom 10 px. Contact form input type equals text. Contact form input type equals email. Width 100%. Padding 10 px. Margin bottom 15 px. Border 1 px solid #DDD. Border radius 5 px. 3. Styling form inputs. We style the form input fields to improve the user experience. This involves adding hover effects, focus styles, and making the fields responsive. Hover and focus effects. Contact form input type equals text, hover. Contact form input type equals email, hover. Border color number 888. Contact form input type equals text, focus. Contact form input type equals email, focus. Border color #5ob4f8. Outline none. Box shadow 005 px Raba 90, 180, 248, 0.5. 4. Styling form buttons. We enhance the form submit button by customizing its appearance with CSS, adding hover and active effects, and making it more prominent. Example: button styling. Contact form input type equals submit. Background color #5ob4f8. Color #FFF. Padding 10 px 20 px. Border none. Border radius 5 px. Font size 1.2 rem. Cursor pointer. Transition background color 0.3s. Contact form input type equals submit, hover. Background color #3D94E0. 5. Responsive form design. It's essential to make your forms responsive so that they look good on all screen sizes. Use media queries to adjust the form layout for smaller devices. Responsive design with media queries. Add media, max width, 600 px. Contact form. Padding, 10 px. Width, 100%. Contact form input, type equals text. Contact form input, type equals email. Font size, 1 rem. 6. Adding placeholder text and styling it. We demonstrate how to style placeholder text to make it match the form's design. The placeholder equals enter your name attribute inside the input element displays helper text that reads enter your name when the field is empty. Similarly, the placeholder equals enter your email attribute inside the input element displays helper text that reads enter your email when the field is empty. This helper text disappears automatically when users start typing, making it a useful guide for filling out the form fields. /*placeholder styling */ placeholder color #AAA font style italic input focus placeholder color number 666. 7. Customizing error messages. You can also style error messages that display when users submit incorrect data. We'll cover how to customize the appearance of validation error messages. Example: styling error messages. Error. Color, red. Font size, 0.9 rem. Margin top, -10 px. Margin bottom, 15 px. By following these steps, you've now mastered the essential skills to create and style a functional, user-friendly HTML form. From designing input fields and adding placeholders to customizing error messages, each aspect improves the user experience and makes your form both practical and visually appealing. Keep experimenting with CSS to discover even more creative ways to style your forms. Happy coding!